Hi guys, hope you are doing well. So today we are making this eggless no maida vanilla cake, which is basically a Parle G biscuit cake which you can easily bake at home with very limited ingredients. So yeah, let's get started. Firstly, we'll take 300 grams of Parle G biscuit, and these are 3.5 packet normal size Parle G which we have taken. And we'll take half a cup of white sugar. This is the normal white sugar which we have at our home. Now the first step is to grind the biscuits in a grinder, but before putting it into the grinder, you have to break the biscuits, otherwise it will take a really long time to grind them into a powder consistency. So here we are just roughly breaking them and adding half a cup of white sugar into it. And now we'll grind both of these ingredients really nicely, and it will take around 1 or 2 minutes. And this is how your powder consistency should look. There should be no biscuit chunk into it because this is basically the dry ingredient for our cake. So just be sure that it's only powder. And now we are taking it in another bowl. And to this we'll add 1 cup of room temperature milk. Now I'm not adding the whole milk in one go only, we'll add it in small intervals. I have just taken the half a cup of milk and I'm just mixing both the things really nicely, and I'll add the rest of the half cup slowly. Basically you just have to make sure that there is no lump in your batter. This is how your batter should look, and we are adding our last step, that is half a teaspoon of baking soda or meetha soda, and just give it a last whisk. And now this is how your batter should look, not so thick and not so runny. Now we have taken a 4-inch cake mold. I have just greased it with a little bit of oil and then dusted it with flour. And now I'm just transferring my batter into this tin. Now you should always use a butter paper or a parchment paper on the bottom of the mold, but we were not having it, so we didn't use it. But if you have butter paper, do use it. Do stick it on the bottom of the mold and just tapping it. Now this step is completely optional. We are just adding some walnuts on the top of our cake. You can add any nuts of your choice. We are basically doing it because this makes your cake look a little bit more beautiful. So just add any nuts of your choice, completely up to you. And yeah, now your cake is completely ready to get baked, and we have already preheated our oven at around 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, and now we'll bake it for 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, this is how your cake will look, completely nicely done, and such a beautiful layer of brown. That means that your cake is really nicely baked from inside as well. And yeah guys, this was our recipe for this no maida eggless vanilla cake. Do try it and let us know what you feel about it. And for more such recipes, do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Take care. Bye bye.